Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you top 5 free music player apps for Android. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you're wondering what are the best apps here that you could use as a music player on your Android device, well, there are 5 apps here that you may want to know. So, let's start with the very first one. So, we have what we call Pulsar Music Player. Now, this one has been a favorite for a long time, which is Pulsar. So it's incredibly small, only about like 4 MB. So it won't eat up your storage or slow down your phone. Now, even though it's tiny, it still has that polished material design look with really smooth animations. Now, people love it because it's simple and supports gapless playback, which is a must if you listen to live albums where the songs are supposed to flow right into each other. Now, if you're more of an audiophile and want to really tweak your sound, you should check out AIMP. Now, it's like the professional grade tool of the group. So it comes with a massive 20 band equalizer and lets you mess with the pitch and speed of your tracks. Now, it handles almost any file you throw at it, from standard MP3s to high quality FLAC files. Now, it might look a bit more technical at first, but anyone who wants total control over their audio balance, it's basically the gold standard here. So, what do we have next here? Now we have Musicollect. Now, which is probably the most pure offline player out there. Now, it doesn't even ask for internet permission, so you know your data is private. Now, the standout feature here is definitely the multiple queues. Now, you have one playlist for your gym session, another for a road trip, and switch between them without losing your place in either. So, also a powerhouse for organizing huge libraries, make it a dream for anyone with thousands of songs saved to an SD card. Now, next is we have what we call auto music. Now, if you care a lot about aesthetics here, so auto music is as it's often called, it's famous for its material hue design, which means the app's colors actually change to match your phone's wallpaper. Now, it feels very integrated with Android systems and includes built-in support for both normal and time-synced lyrics. Now, it's just a very clean, modern-looking app that makes browsing through your albums feel like a premium experience. And finally, for that sleek and minimalistic dark look, Black Player here is still a top tier choice. Now, it's designed to be distraction free with these really elegant cover transitions and a smart zap feature, and lets you quickly preview your tracks to find exactly what you're in the mood for. Now, it's focused on a dark, refined aesthetic that looks great on all LED screens, and it still packs in the bass boost and a 3D surround effect if you want to give your music a bit more punch. All 5 of these are completely free and basically skip the ads, so it's really just comes down to whether you want something lightweight, something technical, or something that just looks beautiful on your home screen. And that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.